Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing how to make papaya seed smoothie. This smoothie is so good for deworming and detoxifying, so stay tuned. This wonderful smoothie, I'll be making use of papaya. So I will cut the papaya and scoop out the papaya seed. For this smoothie, I'll be making use of the papaya seed. Papaya seed has a lot of health benefits. The seeds are used for treating human intestinal parasites. And this is a best way to get papaya seed into your smoothie. When I'm done scraping out all the papaya seed, I will set aside. You can customize by adding garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar because they are good for deworming and removing parasites. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of papaya seed because I'm going to make 2 cups of this drink. So I'll add 2 tablespoons of the papaya seed into the blender. The leftover papaya seed, you can store it in your freezer for future use. I'll be making use of blueberries. Blueberries are wonderful fruits that can help to kill parasites naturally. So I'm going to add the blueberry into the blender. Pineapple is also good. So I'm going to add the pineapple into the blender. For this smoothie, pineapple core is very important because it boosts digestion and kills parasites. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is also good because it will help to remove parasites from the body. Then I'm going to add water. You don't need to add too much water to avoid diluting the taste. Then I'll cover the blender and blend until smooth. You need to try to blend this so good because papaya seeds are so tiny that it is so hard to blend. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to enjoy 1 cup of this drink as a last drink in the night, and you can enjoy 1 cup of this drink as first drink in the morning. Papaya seed is a natural agent to expel intestinal worms. So from time to time, you need to take this smoothie to remove any intestinal worms and also to deworm yourself. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this drink. This drink will help to get rid of intestinal worms, keep your gut healthy, You can choose to strain the smoothie to remove the small particles from the papaya seed, but this is optional.